Hey folks, Mac T here. And back in November 2018, I put that cheap Trico wiper on, and let's go check out the status and condition of it real quick because it is done. Now the Rainx is pretty much the same way. You just take and pop that up, just pull this beam off of here. So this is definitely a different one. You can see where that's peeling off of here. Look at that, fell right apart. So that wasn't a Rainx there, but this is a Rainx. So I had two different brands. I'll have to go back and check to see what brands I actually put on this thing, because I don't remember. But well, wiper blade needed to replace the Trico that failed, so I guess $17.99 for a Duralast. You can see how well this one will last. Aero Blade, don't know, we'll see how it does. But they do have a flex, but I don't think I see it in a 20-inch. Nope, there's no Duralast flex in 20-inch that I see. 28, 21, 18. Yeah, I don't see it in a... Yeah, we got plenty of Bosch, and then we got the Duralast El Cheapos for $10.99. We could try that rather than the Aero Blade. It's a hybrid though. I don't know if we could pass up a hybrid. But hey, we could always check it out and see what it does. They do have the 20-inch for $13.99. Yeah. Anyway, I think we'll stick with the Aero Blade, see what Duralast can come up with as far as longevity. As you can see, that's all she wrote. Now I put that Bosch Icon on there at the same time, and this Bosch Icon is still going strong. Not a problem with it. But this Trico died about 2.5 years. So if we look at it, it's peeling off on both ends, and pretty much it's just peeling right off. That's it. She's done. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and put this Duralast on there, 20-inch, which is what this is. And I guess we'll do another long-term test. You won't find this on Project Farm because he doesn't do long-term tests. He only does short stuff. So this is the actual real-world use of the wiper blade. And now you know the Trico will last you about 2.5 years. Vice the Bosch Icon, which is still going. Of course, it costs twice as much. So we'll just go ahead and pop this one off. Pretty simple. They come off pretty good. And this Duralast AutoZone, not a sponsor by the way, just I get a military discount, so I thought I'd give it a shot. I have never used this product before, so I thought I'd give it an opportunity to show its wherewithal. And this is a long-term test, so it's going to be a while before we actually get any results. And then it, there we go, snapped in. It's the blade design to hold it up to the windshield, so it has these little fins on it to sort of cause it pressure, and you do get all sorts of little goodies to go with it. But that's all there is to it, folks. So again, this is May 2021. We'll see how long this Duralast makes it. Well, folks, went to AutoZone, got the Duralast. As you can see, I put it on. We'll test it against this old Bosch Icon and see which one lasts. I mean, this is long-term real-world testing. Nothing you're going to get in short little snippets for putting everything against everything. This is the true world stuff. So you saw You know, if you buy a Rainx, it's going to die on you. But the Bosch still keeps going. So anyway, like, subscribe, join, all that good stuff on my YouTube channel, Facebook groups, MeWe, MACTFORDEDGE is where you're going to find the name and the locations. Let's see, subscribe, hit the ring bell, you know, ding ding. And also, my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day. I want you to have a great day too. And Mercy Girl's got a couple one-liners along with a band of one playing some great music.
Thank you for watching MacT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.